Welcome to How to Save for the New Year. 5 financial resolutions you can start now. The start of a new year is a great time to take control of your finances, and making a financial resolution can help you set the right foundation for a successful year ahead. Today, we will walk you through 5 resolutions you can start now to save more, reduce stress, and set yourself up for financial success. Resolution 1. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the first steps to better managing your money is to know exactly where it is going. Start by creating a budget. It does not have to be complicated, just list your income and all your expenses, both fixed, like rent and utilities, and variable, like groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, set limits in each category. You can use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to track everything. The key is to review your budget regularly, make adjustments when needed, and stick to it. Resolution 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund can help you navigate the unexpected, whether it is a car repair, medical bills, or losing your job. The goal is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small if you need to. Set aside just $50 or $100 a month. Over time, it will grow into a safety net that will protect you from financial stress. To make saving easier, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account each month. This way, you pay yourself first, and you won't have to worry about forgetting to save. Resolution 3. Pay off debt. Debt can be a heavy burden, but paying it off gives you more freedom and allows you to save and invest for your future. Start by listing all your debts, from credit cards to student loans to personal loans. Focus on paying off the high-interest debts first, such as credit cards, because they are the most expensive. The debt snowball method is a popular approach. Pay off your smallest debts first, then move on to the larger ones. Once you have paid off your debts, try not to accumulate them again. The more you pay down, the less you will owe in the future, and the more you can save and invest. Resolution 4. Save for retirement. It is never too early to start saving for retirement. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. If your employer offers a 401k plan with a match, take full advantage of it. A 401k plan is a type of retirement savings account offered by many employers to their employees in the United States. It allows workers to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out, which can help reduce their taxable income for the year. Contribute enough to get the employer match, because that is essentially free money. If you do not have a 401k, open an individual retirement account and start contributing regularly. Even if you can only contribute a small amount at first, remember that every little bit adds up over time. As your income increases, try to gradually increase your retirement contributions. Resolution 5. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save is to make it automatic. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or checking account to a savings or investment account. This way, saving becomes a habit, and you do not have to think about it. Many apps also allow you to automate savings based on your spending habits. For example, you can round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, and the extra change is automatically saved. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. It is a simple yet effective way to save without even thinking about it. As we head into the new year, these 5 financial resolutions will set you on the right path to better money management. The key is to start now, take small steps, and stay consistent. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a race. If you found these tips helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We will be bringing you more helpful tips and tricks to manage your money throughout the year. Let's make 2025 your best financial year yet.